Okay, hello and welcome. It's me, Andy here, and this is Training the Right Way. I'm going to do another video which is called What's My Verdict? And if you've seen the previous ones, it's basically where I take a application, product, or a website or service or something like that, which I am currently using. So, for example, I am signed up for Fiverr. I am signed up for Udemy, and I give my honest review about the service or product. And is it any good? Should you bother? I give the pros and cons, the best case use scenario. Now, I've come across this product. It was heavily advertised on Facebook, social media, and it's a one-off fee, which is quite rare for software. It's a cheap price to encourage you to purchase for life. So once you get it, you keep it for life. Now, what it does is social media manager. It allows you to post, because I'm basically on everything. You name it, I'm probably on it. So, for example, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, what else? Oh, loads of stuff. TikTok, X, Twitter. I'm on all of that. It allows you to have all of those things and write a post, include some either images or videos or whatever you want, or links, and then post it. And the beauty of it is that you can schedule. That was the idea. So having a regular post that goes out that you can probably use AI, maybe get yourself to AI to write the actual post regularly and then post it. So it's called Content360, and here's the website that's related to it. So the website, manage and automate your social media with this application. And it is a solution to a problem of having time to post all of these various platforms, because then you have to obviously log in, you have to add the post, copy the details, blah, 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 all of that stuff. And of course, this will allow you to do it for you in automated manner at regular intervals. So the idea, you open it on Monday. In 10 minutes your entire week is scheduled. AI writes your captions. I haven't tried that bit yet, but I believe it's pretty good. You pick your visuals, click once, scheduled. So Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more. There are a few issues which I will go over, and it could be me, it could be the thing which they haven't thought about yet, but I have emailed them my comments and we'll see what they say. So it's going to help you with your engagement, because obviously that's the big thing these days, is trying to get yourself out there. And if you haven't got the time, like I haven't, then this was going to save time for me as well. Now, one other thing I wish it would do would be to post to a private blog as well. It doesn't do those sorts of things. So if you have a private blog, or even I would like it to do Blogger, which is an application I've been on for years, but I've forgotten to post to it because it's annoying. It's you have to remember to do it. I have loads of posts on there, just not recently. I always forget. I don't know why. Maybe it's not really my thing. I don't know how many people go on it, but hey, that's another story. So we have all these. You can post to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Some of these I'm debatable. I mean, why? I tried to register for Telegram, but it's a little bit of a quirky subject. I have no idea what Blue Sky is, but I'm not on there. I'm not on Reddit, and I'm not on Threads, but the other ones I am. I have yet to post to anything other than Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and LinkedIn. Cross-platform analytics, which is quite useful to see which one gets the most responses and reactions. And of course the other thing there, IG and FB sales automation, which you can use. Powerful link in bio tools and unlimited social accounts. So you can put all of them on there. And at the moment it's only 47. Now if you're lucky and you can get this link down below in the description, if you use that, then obviously you'll help me out, but you also get a discount, so that's good. And the price, apparently the price is going to be going up shortly, so make the most of it because it's a one-off fee. They're saying it's monthly there, but this is going to be the new price. But there is I think I paid about $67, which is about 51 quid lifetime membership. So it's a limited offer. Unless you're very slow, you'll be paying 47 a month, which is not good because I was expecting this to be different to other software, because I hate this idea of subscription, having to pay every month to use it. Now what happens if 1 month you don't want to use it? Then you're paying for nothing, really, and I hate that. I really do hate software that does that. Okay, let's have a look at the dashboard, which is what you get when you sign up. You sign up for your account. At the moment you're paying the standard fee, which was a one-off fee for me, lifetime. On here you can see that I have added all of my social media. The accounts that you can add are done via the social media menu item. Add account is where you go to add these. The Training in the Right Way business account here, I don't know why it's listed as being Talking Really. I don't know how to change that. Also, the same goes for this one here, Talking Really, which is a standalone page, but it's listed as Westbury for some reason. I don't know why. So I have put my YouTube accounts. So I have 3 accounts here. When you come to post to them, I'm not sure what's going on with that, but we'll see in a moment. I have my health account here, which I haven't actually posted to yet because I'm trying to get it working. My TikTok account and my Pinterest account and my Instagram account. So the posting schedule that you can do, you can take to post on certain days, every day at a certain time if you want, between those hours, on or off. It will do that for you. And of course, not sure what webhooks are, but I presume it's linking into your website external services to be notified. So things like your diary, maybe, I don't know, but there is a comprehensive health centre, and these are made up of mainly of videos. So there's the how to register your account, how to add accounts and create groups as well, how to connect Twitter. Now this is a whole process that I have gone through, but it doesn't seem to work, so I'm gonna have to go through it again. Apparently it's all about permissions with Twitter. I have a very quirky way of doing things apparently, so that is a process that you'll need to go through. How to schedule a post, how to use links in bio tools, which is quite good, how to create bulk posts, and how to leverage RSS campaigns that you have that you can find out there. These videos are very self-explanatory in general, and that is essentially the help desk thing. So, and there's no button to go back, which is very annoying. Okay, that was slightly annoying because you have to actually, it comes up as a separate page. So I couldn't go back because there's nowhere to go back to. So it's actually loaded as a separate page. Okay, so on the dashboard, which is our dashboard here, they're going to be doing YouTube analytics, so they're obviously going to include that if they can. Obviously, with sometimes with YouTube, they block things that you're not allowed to do stuff, and I don't know what they're afraid of, especially when you're trying to copy over videos to another platform. It's very annoying. So going through these, we have a link in bio. I've not done this, so I don't know, but you can create a link and put it into your bio. It will track obviously the data. You can create a link. So bio link page, a shortened URL, file link, vCard or event or a QR code. Let's do a QR code, see what happens. So there's no QR codes at the moment, obviously. Let's create a QR code. There's a sample. So what you would do is you'll put your details in here. So name of the actual thing, the project, we have to create a project, and then the text that you want to put into that link, and that QR code will activate the whatever you want, the link, and redirect you to where you want to go. Now obviously I'm not going to do it, but you can have a look at this yourself. I'm probably not going to be using it shortly, but you can change the style, the colour, frames, branding, and that's all related to the actual QR code. For example, you probably want that to be black and the background colour white. So that's exactly what you'll get. Style. A square one, a round one, so it will give you that. A diamond, interesting. A heart, a dot. So that's what makes up the actual code itself in the QR code. Right, let's have a look at these social accounts. So we're going to add accounts and let's see what we can add. So it's Tumblr, TikTok, LinkedIn. Don't know what the difference is between page and profile. Presume that you would be linking your page, if you have one. Pinterest, that's standard. I have set my Google page, which you'll see. YouTube, a YouTube profile. Mastodon, didn't know what that is. Threads, Instagram Direct. I think I've done that one, so it's my Instagram Direct rather than going through Facebook. You can have Facebook as well. I'm just trying to think, have I got any Facebook pages that I can add? I think I've already added them. Oh, I can add a YouTube channel. I've got loads of those. So let's add that one. And obviously you select your channel that you want to add. Let's add, have I added that one? Let's add another one. Let's add, oh, I can't think. Let's add product reviews, because I know that one's not on there. So this one, select this one, because you want it to obviously be able to edit your thing and manage the account. So continue, and it will give you this. So this is the channel. You have to actually physically tick it and then choose it. It doesn't add it automatically, but you'll find that that is now somewhere where I up here. So what you can do, obviously, if you made a mistake, is edit or update, copy the ID or delete it. If I wanted to message that, so for example, we're coming on to the posts now, and I'm going to show you the various issues that I found. So posts. This one here was a problem because it didn't go through. The problem was regarding images. It was asking for under Instagram, it was asking for an image or a video. And likewise, Facebook was saying, sorry, this image is broken. However, I had uploaded it. Oh, sorry, is that Pinterest? Sorry, that's Pinterest. The image, because it was a video. I also included a link as well to a video, because that's what you do. So that one didn't go through. And it looks like the image in this LinkedIn post did not go through either. It's not even here. So let's do one. We are going to do a post, which is weird. You've got the post button over here, but the other buttons are over here. It probably would have been easier over there. Right, so let's see ones that I've published. Obviously these three. 2 of them didn't go through. There's no scheduled. There's no draft posts. There's no RSS. And the trash, well, we could put that one in the trash, but we'll leave it for now. So this is create post. Let's put the other channel, this one here. So the product reviews. So this is going to be video or short title. And you can see over here, it says select a video for this YouTube type, for this account. So it doesn't, you have to physically go to the account on YouTube and find the video. Now I presume what you're going to do is put the link in there. I don't know where this post will go. Presume it's going to be a video upload to the channel, because you can make it public, private or unlisted. Now the problem is that there are a lot more attributes. So there are things like thumbnail. I mean, I don't know where the thumbnail aspect of this is. There are the search terms. You've got this is the obviously the description area. So you could put in there, you know, description of video. So that would appear in your description. Unfortunately, let's make it private. Let me find a video, because it doesn't allow you to select one. Is it a video on my computer, or is it a video on the actual channel? It does not say. This is the problem I've got. You can, of course, then insert some media. I don't know if you can, but I don't think it will appear. A hashtag, obviously the hashtag is, I don't have any groups. I haven't set up a group yet. New hashtag group. Add location, URL shortener, template manager. Let's see what that is. Let's see if there's a template. I don't have any template at the moment. Okay. But I'm still confused about this. Where is the video? What video are we talking about? If I go and find a video, let's find it. Let's see if it's a video on my computer. Just bear with me, I'll find a video. Let's just find a very short video. So I want to put this here, and then it will be a slash. Put this as AWT UK space platforms, space advert dot mp4. Right. Okay. So that's all set. It's not changed the actual error message at the top, and also this button over here is not allowing me to do it. So clearly that is going to be a video on the channel, isn't it? That makes sense. But this there is no error sort of description on what that means. Let's try a video on the actual channel in we're talking about. So let me just go and find the channel, and I'll find a video. Let's find a video. Let's have that one there. Let's copy that link. Right, so let's put this. There's definitely not a video on your hard drive. So that is a video now that's on the channel. And we got this. Unless, of course, this is where you do the video upload bit. So I've already got one uploaded. Let's just select that and insert. Okay, so that's what you do in the box there. YouTube options. It's still private, right? But it has allowed me to select post. So let's try it. It's going to be posted on my channel, but we always delete it. Right, schedule for now. As you can see, it's not 100% clear about what you would do, and very, very frustrating. I have emailed about this, and then what I'll do is I'll go and have a look at the channel and see if it has done anything on the actual channel itself. It is probably uploading or doing something with that video, because I uploaded it, but it was it took a little while. I don't know where it's uploading to though. That's the other issue that I have. And to be honest with you, if it's going to do that for every single video, like every single post, if it's going to try and upload a video, then that's going to be a waste of time doing YouTube, because I don't want to upload the video. The video that I upload to the channel will already be uploaded. All I want to do is post a comment or a photograph. Now I don't know why it doesn't do it, but it should do it to the community tab posting area, because that you could do, and it would be quite useful. Still not done, and there's no progress bar on this. I don't know. Publishing. Let's have a look. No, got no progress bar on that. So I don't know exactly what it's going to do, where it's going to post this video to that channel. But if it does, then there's a lot of stuff. It's a complete waste of time, because you're going to have to go back onto the channel, the studio, to edit all of the stuff, like the thumbnail, the tags, the permissions, all of that stuff that you normally do when you upload a video. Even if it's monetized as well, then you have to change that. So yeah, I'm also looking at the channel. Just going to the content. Okay, Right, here we go. I can show you that now. So the content, as you can see, exactly what I feared, that this is basically uploading a video with the name that I said to that link. That link was from the actual channel. It says processing will begin shortly. The problem is now is we have a video on there with that name, with the description. There is no thumbnail, there is no playlist, there is no settings, there is no tags, there is no date, there's no category. The comments is on, but there's no moderation. Unfortunately, and of course, then that IQ score for this video, and also there's no end screen, but basically there's no thumbnail. This appears on the channel. Luckily, it's private, so essentially that what you type in is exactly what you'll get. Yeah, so when it's finished, I will go back into the actual list of channel videos, and I will delete it because I don't want it on this channel. However, if, as you see on this channel here, you have the posting section, the post tab, you can put it on there. So there could be a post, and of course they've got a new thing on now with the community, so you can turn that on. Yep. So here is where you could, in theory, type in your desired message that you posted on Content360. You could then have your image, which you can transfer over from Content360, because you can also do a video or existing video. But apart from that, this is useless. And visibility, yeah, if you're going to do a post, then let's just do that. Public, and you can schedule the post as well. So that I would find useful if it posted there, but it doesn't. It posts into my videos, and it gives it whatever details you specify. Not useful at all, really. So I am going to delete that because I don't actually want that video on there. Delete that and delete. Right, that's gone. Okay. Unfortunately, I find that a little bit annoying. Right, continuing. Oh, no, not that. Post. Oh yeah, create. So limitations on this. So we're going to post to Instagram. Let's do Facebook. And TikTok. Yes, I mean TikTok, I presume, is also, you haven't chosen who can watch your video. That's fine, because you can select that. So TikTok commenting, and also who can do it. You could do AI generated content disclosure if you're promoting goods or whatever. So this is the area where you want to put your text in here. This is what will appear on all platforms. And then of course you have your hashtag test, hashtag Content360, like that. So you can do your hashtags. but you can see over here it says select a video or photos. That's fair enough, because we can select a photo. Let's do this and put let's put this one. Insert that into there. So that's happy. Facebook is happy. This is TikTok, so obviously it will be 9:16. I've done to Instagram, which is that one there, and that one's happy. It's not given an error, although it would have done, because it would have said no photo or video. So all in all, that should go ahead. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to post, but there is a limit on TikTok about how many characters you can type in. So if you've done an essay, if you've done I don't know, if you've done an essay, let's do AI generated paragraph, and of course it exceeds the number of characters. Obviously Facebook you can do as long as you like. I think there is a limit on Instagram as well, I'm not sure, but TikTok there is definitely a limit. It will not work. It will not allow you to post, unfortunately. So you then have to edit your epic paragraph, which in turn limits the other ones. So Facebook and Instagram will be cut down. What it should do is have separate requirements. So if you had a long paragraph, you could define in TikTok that you want up to a certain point, and it will take that, and then the other ones that can do it will take the whole lot. So it's up to you then to edit your paragraph. Or you could just have a separate box. I don't see this idea of having one box. Type it once. Yeah, all right, fair enough. It's a good idea. Type it once, and it applies to all of them. But where something has a limit, then there should be a separate box. I'm not trying this one. What's this one? Google, I think. Google My Business. So, for example, event post. I know. Yeah, all of this. I mean, some of these things. Yeah, I don't think I would be posting this particular post on here, but you could probably do learn more, redirect to the actual video. Now the problem is that when you've got Pinterest, for example, if we put that on here, it'll be happy with the title. You need to put a link. So, yeah, I mean, that's okay, because that's how Pinterest works. And then, of course, I don't know, the actual board that you've got on your account, so you can put it in there. That description, this text message, and that link will be displayed. And of course, if you go, oh, there it is there. So Pinterest, this is what you will end up with on your Pinterest account. Now, problem is that if you want, say you're on Facebook and you wanted 2 pictures, unfortunately, Pinterest does not allow more than 1. And this is the other issue that I had. So if that's the case, why not allow this here to select which picture you want from the 2 that you've selected? Also, why is it that these pictures are in the actual text box? Why aren't these separate? Because this is confusing. This, to me, says that these pictures will appear in the text box, not as a featured picture. But what is really annoying with that is that it's not separate. Pinterest will not continue and will not post to Pinterest, and you can see down here that it won't let you post. And the only way around that is to delete one of these. So that's very annoying. So now, as you can see, it's fine. Very, very annoying. Right, so yeah, it's good. It's a good idea. It's a good piece of software. However, from my point of view, I don't think anybody's thought about this. I mean, I write software, and when I write software, I sort of have an idea that I'm going to be using that software in the way that I want, which is not the way that they're doing it. And there are lots of questions, like, for example, that YouTube video, that you have to upload a video. But then you have to go back in and sort the video out. Pointless exercise. So if it posted to your community page, then it would be a lot better, because there's no requirement there to go back in and edit the video. And with the other issues I mentioned as well. So if they sort them out, this piece of software is going to be well worth it. Even at the monthly fee, because it will save a lot of time. The point is that at the moment, it's not quite there. So I don't know what you think. Maybe you can let me know in the comments, and of course I'll come back to you with another video very soon. See you soon. Bye for now.